Hello and welcome, my friend. First, before we even start, I'm sorry about my voice because I catch that virus, the one here in UK. So I'm sorry about it. Actually, I don't making that video this week. But as you see, as all of you know, I can't leave you. That's the reason why I came here to put that video for you. So I'm sorry for my voice, but the only thing I can tell you. I know my voice, it sounds like a frog. That's what my child said when I talked to him by phone because I am self-isolated here. But it's okay. That's what we get. So there is no intro, no nothing. All of you know what is the things. So the first pair we got, my friend, it's the EURUSD, my friend. And the EURUSD, as you remember, last week we said it from here, but we are wrong. Actually, it fell down a little bit, and also we entered in that deal. Also entering it in British pound, not in EURUSD. But if you are a trader, you know there is a big correlation between EURUSD and British pound. So also we enter in the British pound, but it's the same story as I told you. Then look what happened, all that. And I tell it to you the last week, I told you there is coming news. And even this week there is some news, my friend. As you see it, there is a European meeting Monday, all the day. But you know, sometimes they making that madness, that speaker of them, he say something. So be aware of that and be focused about that market, what is going to do. So for the EURUSD this week, our view is going to make a correction to a high like that. Then it's going to fall down because, and even it's coming the Germany CPI, be aware of that. To find all those things, there is a lot of weekly calendar or economic calendar. You just type it in Google, you're going to find all those news, my friend. The levels we got, my friend, first level here 1.16, 918, another level here 1.15, 935, another level here 1.14, 952, another level here 1.14, 567, another level here 113, 916, another level here 113, 270. I think everything is too clear, my friend. So let me to analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see here in the RSI, touch here, then it falls down like that. So our view is going to make a correction upward like that. Then from there is going to fall down again. Remember those things? I think everything is too clear, my friend. Maybe just going to touch here the daily. Then from there is going to fall down. Or maybe it's going to go back and touch the weekly and break it like that and fall down again. So the EURUSD it's still for short, my friend. I think everything is too clear. So the other pair we got, my friend, it's the British pound or the cable, my friend. And that one, as you see, even that one will make a error in it, but also we taking some profit in it. If you being someone who follow me and you are in my Telegram group, we enter from here to here exactly. We taking all that profit till the last candle here. Then from here, boom, news came as you see it. And you can ask all the people. I think we enter from here, not from there, from here till here. Then he moved all that upward move. So for this week, my friend, our view to it is going to make another correction upward till here, till that level here. As you see it, that one. When it's going to touch it here, then it's going to fall down again. It's going to fall down, maybe till here, maybe it's going to fall down more. I think everything is too clear, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. Levels we got here 1.37, 881. Another level here 1.37, 125. Another level here 1.36. Another level here 1.34, 736. Another level here 1.34, 106. Another level here 1.32, 867. I think that's it, my friend. The other levels, you just write them. And let me to analyze for you the RSI, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. I'm sorry, my friend, but I'm not well. But even like that, I try to explain to you that why me, I'm making errors, I'm making something, but I'm so sorry for that. I'm not well at all. But what can we say? Even like that, I put power to explain to you. Let me hope you will understand me. So for that one, as you see, my friend, he fell down here. But here also we got here a support, as you see it. Then from here, our view is going to make another correction upward like that. To touch again here. Then from there is going to fall down again. Take profit here, down, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. And another thing I forget to mention it before. We got in Wednesday UK CPI at 7 GMT in the morning. That in Wednesday. Remember that, my friend. I think everything is too clear till now, my friend. So the other pair we got is the Aussie, my friend. And the Aussie, as you see, even that one, it was an error here. We said it's going to fall down. It fell down till that much. Then look what happened here. Actually, also we tell you when we're making an error, we tell it to you. Not like other channels. They making errors. But they came, they said, oh, also we say it like that. Also we make an error, we said it. And that's trading. Trading is a probability game. There is sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. And also when we win, we said it. When we lose, we said it. That's it. There is no one winning 100%. Even Warren Buffett, he doesn't win 100%. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that one, as you see on Friday, he came all that down. This week, our view is going to make a correction till here. Then from here, it's going to fall down again, my friend. Remember that. And there is another thing, in employment rate Thursday at 12:30 GMT night, at after midnight. Now some of you, they are going to be sleeping, some of you, they are going to be wake up, but be aware of that. I think everything is too clear. Levels we got, my friend. First level here 0.74709. Another level here 0.74235. Another level here 0.73464. Another level here 0.72917. Another level here 0.72473. Another level here 0.71837. Another level here 0.71011. And the last level here 0.70078, my friend. I think everything is too clear. So let me to analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see here, he touch here, he make that correction like that. Now our view is going to make another correction upwards till here. Then it's going to fall down. Or another scenario, maybe it's going to fall down here, touch here, then from here it's going to go up. Also, we are not going to go up with it. Remember that. Also, we will enter only short, my friend. I think everything is too clear, nothing hard, nothing complicated. So the other pair we got, my friend, is USD Japanese yen. That one actually we said it last week. We said it's going to fall down till here. Then from here also we will enter buy. But something changed this week because it's coming news about Japanese yen. It's coming interest rate that week. Forget the day, maybe Monday or Tuesday. Anyway, you can find it. Just go to Google and write it. My view is going to fall down till here, till that level. Then from here we will enter buy to upward, my friend. Everything is too clear, nothing hard, nothing complicated. So USD Japanese yen this week is only for buy, my friend. Wait in that correction to go down. That level here is at 112.746. You stop the video and pause it and you write it. Other levels as you see it. I can't say them because I'm not well. I'm very sorry. But that's the reality. So let me to analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see, being here last week, we tell you it's going to fall down. It fall down till here exactly, as you see it now. Here. Now he break up. Our view is going to make a correction down here. Then from here is going to go upward, my friend. But it doesn't come to make another correction. From here it will go upward, my friend. That way me I told you, you be aware of that. Maybe you just need to enter from that level. Maybe you wait in the correction till it's falling down to that level. So the only thing, if you enter with tight money management. Everything is too clear, nothing hard, nothing complicated. So the other pair we got, my friend, is the gold. And the gold, even that one we are not right about it. The only things we said is going to go up. He go up, but not from the level as we said it. As we said, it's going to fall down till it touching here. It doesn't fall down. It go upward because inflation is too high in USA, and that's not our case. This week, our view is going to make a correction, maybe till that level here. Then from here, also we'll enter, take profit here in the high of that one. Everything is too clear, my friend. Levels also accepted from here, 1775.17 is going to make a upward. Take profit here, 1873.65. If you want to write those ones, as I told you, pause the video and write them. I'm sorry I can't say them because I'm not well. So let me to analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see, he came from here till here. He touched here. He touched the divergence. Our view is going to fall down. Maybe it's going to fall down till it touching here, or maybe it's going to fall down to touch only down here. And from here it will go upward, my friend. So you, if it touching here, or it touching that level, you enter buy. Remember it. I think everything is too clear till now. So the other pair we got, my friend, is Dragon or British Pound Japanese yen, my friend. And the one we said last week, from here is going to fall down. It fall down a little bit as you see it. But our view to it this week is going to make another correction upward till here. Then from here is going to fall down because the news is coming to the British pound and the news is coming to the Japanese yen. Remember that two things. I think everything is too clear. The level where we accept it is going to fall down from 157.351. Take profit here, 152.266. I think everything is too clear till now, my friend. Those levels behind inside them. If you want to write them, just pause the video and come here and here and put the video in HD and you find them very clear there and you write them in your broker. I told you I'm very sorry because I'm not well. That's the reason why I don't say it. I'm sorry, but that's what I got now. So, my friend, let me to analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see here in the RSI, we got a trend line like that. And you can even make a channel like that if you want, but that's not our case now. The RSI here give also low, lower than the previous one. Now it need to come back and touch down on the upward here. Then also will enter sell to downward, my friend. Here in the chart, it's something different. Also, we're following the RSI. I think everything is too clear, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. So that our weekly analysis, and if you find our videos give you high value, please share them with your friends and in other groups, and give the video a like, because you are not give it to me, you give it to YouTube logarithm to post in our channel. As you're benefiting from this channel, you're getting free content. Even also want to benefit from it, because as all of you know this channel till now, there is nothing, I don't earn nothing from it. It's not monetized, it's nothing. So please support us. See you in the next week, my friend. Bye for now.